All right, hello everyone. This is a four-box break of 2014 Crown Royale football. First four boxes out of a fresh case on August 10th, eBay. Okay, these are the participants and the teams you all won. All right, good luck to everybody. 11:01 p.m. Monday, August 10th, Eastern Time. Let me get these boxes out first, and then I'll show you how we do this. All right, three piles. Right, left, middle, excuse me, right, middle, left. First one to answer is what we do. So pick right, middle, or left. Anyone, first person to answer, left. Okay, Puffer, we do the left. The next four boxes will be on Thursday. That's when the bidding ends, and it will break then. All right, all right, we got two lefts already, but guys, good luck. And that's it. Let's go. First box. All right, the first pack. All right, let's take the three inserts into the back. King's Quarter for the Bears. We got a Bears Ahmad Dixon. This is a refractor type, 74 out of 199. This is numbered parallel. Vernon Davis, Jason Witten, and the hit is nice. Mike Evans, nice hit, nice patch. I hit also an Evans on the limited break before. It's a nice card, silhouette from Mike Evans on card auto. So this. All right, we got a Clowney die cut gold. This is not numbered. Josh Huff, T.Y. Hooton. Got a gold Julian Edelman, 23 out of 25 for the Patriots. And a random coming up, 13 out of 25 for Benjamin. Nice patches here. And Devonta Freeman for the Falcons. So the Panthers and the Falcons. Four colors here. We got three colors here for Benjamin. So keep that on the side. All right. Steve Johnson, Sammy Watkins, random. Jeff Janis. Got Doug Martin. Colin Kaepernick. And for the Packers, 13 out of 20. See that there? Jared Boykin autograph. And a blank dummy card. Yeah, you're right. I didn't even pick that up. I see it now. No Colts, Wody. This is the first box, last pack. Only a base came out so far for Colts. All right, Tom Savage, gold. We got a gold of Rob Blanchflower for the Steelers. This is out of 99, 20 out of 99. Joe Flacco, Des Bryant, and Mr. Menzel, just a one color jersey. Who they said has been playing pretty good in camp, and I have a feeling he's going to be all right. People are knocking him, but gotta give the guy a chance. 331 out of 499. All right, box number two. Cowboys Jets random. Jawan James, Dolphins, Tony Romo, Cowboys, gold of Tom Brady, numbered out of 99, 90 out of 99 for the Patriots. And another Packers hit, Rajon Neal, 154 out of 299, autograph. And a blank dummy card. I got points coming up. Patriots, James Wright, Julio Jones, got Ben, 250 points, random, all teams on that, blank. Yeah, I know, he got a couple of hits in the last break, I think, so he should be pretty happy there. DeAnthony Thomas, Trevor Riley out of 99, out of 199, excuse me. Jets, Wes Welker, Lamar Miller, and another Bucks hit. This is Austin Seferian Jenkins out of 499. All right, got Richard Sherman, Master Draftsman, insert Jackson Jeffcoat, Bernard Pierce, Matt Forte out of 199, and a Jordan Matthews, nice jumbo patch, nice card here. Crown Royale, this is number, what is this number? 14 out of 25 for the Eagles. 14 out of 25. Nice patch here. It's a little dent here. You can see a push up, but nice card. All right, box number 3. All right, we got a Green Kings core for the Bengals. This is numbered at. This is not numbered. I thought these were numbered. I guess not. And the hit is Cyril Johnson for the Buffalo Bills, 9 out of 75. Blank. Bears Craftsman. Another Bears Fuller, and another Bears Forte. These cards in the front. King's Court for the Rams. Wilder out of 199 for the Bengals. Vic Cruz, G-Men, the Jets, Eric Decker, and another Mike Evans hit autograph. Tampa Bay again, 283 out of 299. And a dummy card. So, a couple of Mike Evans hits so far, huh? Alright, Derek Carr. We got Shane Scov for Niners. Jimmy Graham. Got a gold of AJ Green out of 99. And another Bucks hit. Man, it's Charles Sims, one color. Another Bucks hit. 338 out of 499. It's a Tampa Bay break. Oh, Jesus. Another Bucks. Packers, Jag. We'll do random that. Shaq Evans. Maurice Jones-Drew. Reggie Bush. Oh, this is actually another random. 2-color. We got Austin Seferian Jenkins and Bishop Sankey. So another Bucks hit, but also the Titans. So we do that also at the end. And the last box. Just so you know, guys, all cards ship. And I always send something extra without minus what you call just an index card. So if you didn't get a hit, I'll throw something in there. Blank. We got Jay Samaro, Jillian Saunders, Cam Newton, gold of Alex Smith out of 99, and Troy Nichols, 7 out of 50 for the Cardinals. Looks like we got a redemption. Kings Court Jaguars. We got Trevor Riley Jets. Greg Olson Panthers. We got Matt Ryan for the Falcons. And the redemption is, wow, big, 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 big hit. Silhouette autograph green of the great Peyton Manning. And I assume that's the Broncos, so obviously. I'm not sure what green's now. I think it's number out of 5. Anyone know? Nice silhouettes autograph green for Peyton Manning. That's out of 5, right? I figured. Nice hit. Congratulations, Broncos, on that one. All right. Got Alan Hearns for the Jaguars out of 199. Stafford. Who's this? DeAndre Hopkins. And Khalil Mack, one color for the Raiders out of 499. And Adrian Peterson, Master Craftsman. Yeah, that's a nice hit out of 5, Peyton Manning. All right, you got Bortles die cut, Buchanan, McCoy Eagles, Pierre Thomas, and the final hit for the Saints, Brandon Cooks. Nice patch here, 3 colors, rookie royalty. This is numbered at a 99. All right, that does it for the break. We are going to do now the randoms. I'll just do the insert randoms first, and then the 2 cards and the redemption. So just bear with me for a sec to get this set up. Get the dice roller up. Okay. Must roll a 3. 6. So we do 6 times. Yeah, I'll show you the Matthews chud. Don't worry about it. All right, let's do the random first. So the first, we're going to do the Cowboys and the Jets. See that there? Cowboys and Jets insert. Cowboys, Jets 6 times. Duplicate it when it's only 3 or less, just to give it more variable. All right, so Cowboys, Jets 6 times. Top team gets it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Jets. So the Jets get the insert. Cowboy insert. Next up, San Francisco and Buffalo. All right, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Final time. The 49ers. The 49ers get this card. Sorry, guys. All right. So the Niners. Next one is up. Green Bay and Jacksonville. All right, 5 times 6. Here we go. Jaguars. So the Jaguars get this insert. All right. We're going to do the Sankey Jenkins random first. So we do Titans and the Bucks. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 final time. The Titans. So the Titans get this duel. There it is. All right, let's get the Titans. Should have got this down. And the next one, nice patch here of Benjamin and Freeman, Falcons and Panthers. All right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 final time. Falcons. So the Falcons get the patch with Kelvin Benjamin. And then I'll set up the all teams get the points. So let me get that done here first. All right, guys, this is for the 250 points. All teams in, 6 times. Team on top gets it. All right, so we got, make this a little wider. All right, Cardinals on the top and the Redskins on the bottom. 6 teams. Excuse me, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth final time. Team on top gets it. It's the Steelers. So the Steelers get the 250 points card. There it is. 6 times. Pittsburgh Steelers. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for joining. Cards will all be shipped out no later than Thursday. I got the Thursday break for the second 4 boxes of this and also 5 boxes of limited, so check that out. But that's it. Have a great night.